Hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock your profile on Facebook. First of all, we want to open Facebook. For this, just click on Facebook. After clicking on Facebook, Facebook will start to open in front of you. Once Facebook is open in front of you, here we will see how we can lock this profile on Facebook. For this, just go to the bottom of your mobile screen, and you will see the menu button. So, click on it. After clicking, the menu section will open in front of you. Once it's open, go to the top right corner of your mobile screen, and you will see a gear button. So, click on it. After clicking, a settings section will be available. Here, you just want to scroll down until you find the audience and visibility section. Once you find this section, you can see there are a lot of options. But we will click on the first option, named Profile Locking. So, click on it. After clicking, Profile Locking will be open for you. Here are the benefits of locking your profile. The first one is only friends will see the profile posts and stories on your profile. The second one is only friends will see your full-size profile picture and cover photo. And the third one is people will still be able to search for you and send you friend requests. To achieve these features, click on Lock Your Profile. After clicking Lock Your Profile, after some loading, you will see a message that will appear at the bottom of your screen saying that your profile has been locked. Just click on OK, and your profile is now locked. No one can see your profile without getting permission. That's the way to lock your profile on Facebook. You can see a lot of videos like this. Thank you for watching this video.